If you are looking for an awesome portable TV slash tablet, you're absolutely going to love this thing. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it. I'm going to show you how to put it together at the very end and the unboxing of it. It does come in a really nice box, which makes this giftable. It's going to come in this box right over here. We got a nice little handle over here. You can kind of see all the different features, which we're going to cover in just a second. Now, this does run off a battery, and it also comes with a plug. So if you want to plug this in while using it, you do have that option. You're going to do that at the bottom, and I will show you that in just a second. So this is basically a tablet. It is 32 inches. It was super easy to put together. You'll see at the bottom, you can see right down there, it shows you the battery right over there, how much battery there is there. It could be used for about 8 hours. It just really depends on what you're doing. And you'll see this has a swivel right over here. So with this swivel right over here, you could go up or down since it focuses like a tablet. So you could turn it this way, just like that. And now it is up. You could watch apps on this. It is an Android tablet. You can do pictures as well. So there's a camera right over here and speakers as well. It comes with this remote control right over here. This is going to allow you to turn on, off, mute. I'll show you the back. You have HDMI. You have the settings right over here. You have this mouse. So if you hit the mouse button, you could actually use it like a mouse to navigate around over here. Again, this was super easy to put together. I'm going to show you that at the very end. Now, this also could slide up and down right over here. So you'll notice right over here, if you want to slide this down a little, you could do that, or you could have it all the way up just like that. Slides super easily. Now, on the back right over here, we got some speakers going on over here. We have an HDMI, we have a USB, and then we have a USB-C, and then a little headphone jack there. So if you want to listen to headphones on that, you could do that as well. As you might have guessed, this is on wheels. So it's super easy to slide around. You can move it wherever you want. I'm gonna pick this up just like this so you can kind of see it just like that. Perfect height right over there. You can see this slides around nice and easy. Now, on the back side right over here, this is going to be your column screw right over here. So basically, you're going to get this base. You're going to unscrew the bottom, put this pull in, put this one in, screw that in, put the tablet piece on, and you're good to go. You'll see it, everything in the instructions, and this is kind of your on-off down over here. So to turn that on, that's going to power that on. And then this is where you're going to plug this in to charge it. Again, it comes with everything you need. It comes with the screw, all the tools. It even comes with these white gloves. And the instructions are super easy. They're literally on this big thing here. And we're going to get into that when we're putting it together. But if you are looking for a great portable tablet that is on wheels, it's easy to set up, easy to move around. You can load all your favorite apps. You could use the Google Play Store. This is great for presentations as well. You could easily just swipe. This is a touchscreen as well. So just note that. And then you have all the typical apps that you would want. You could add more apps to this. So you could do all your Google Drive, the Google TV, YouTube. You could load all that stuff on there. The sound, the picture, everything is absolutely awesome on this. And then of course you also have that back where you could add things to it. If I just got this mobile smart screen, it is 32 inches. We're gonna open this up, show you exactly how it comes packaged, and we're gonna put it together. Gonna go step by step, nice and slow, so you see exactly how it comes. It will come in a brown box, and this will be inside. So this is exactly how it came. It does have a handle right over here, so you could definitely easily carry this, which is nice. Now, when we open this right over here, we're just gonna pull this up right over here. There's like a little tab right over here. We're just gonna open that up, and we're just gonna get this going. So I'm just gonna open that just like that. And this is what we got right over here. So we have this little installation map right over here. So this looks pretty easy. It has all the components. We got the screen, the base, the upper column, lower column, all this stuff here. And this looks pretty simple. We got 6 different steps. We're gonna walk through each one with you. So if you see right in here, very well packaged right over here. So let's get this opened up right over here. This is going to be, this first part here is going to be our screen. Again, packaged very nicely. It is in its own sleeve right over here. This is a tablet. This is an Android tablet. So this comes packaged really nicely like this. We're just going to be super careful here to get this open just like that. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. So we're just gonna put this down just right over here. This is kind of what the next layer looks like right over here. So this is gonna be I'm guessing our base. So we're gonna just take this part off right over here. This is gonna be our wheel base right over here. What the TV will wheel on. We got a nice little guide right over here as well. We're just gonna put this on the floor for 1 second. And then we got our next layer right over here. We have this piece. So this is gonna be part of the stand that we have going on here. And then we also have, this is where this part right over here, this is gonna be where all our connections, so we got the remote in here. We do have kind of the power supply that we're gonna be using for this. And then I'm pretty sure this might be the last piece right over here. This one right over here is going to kind of be our last piece. This is gonna be the pull. We got this right over here. And that is pretty much everything inside. Let me get this box out of here and we're gonna start putting this together. Alright, so we got all our pieces out here. Inside this box right over here is going to be everything you need. We got our column screws, we got our pedestal screws right over here, and then we have this tool to put it all together. I like the fact that they give us this, and then of course we got the plug for the power. So the first step, according to this right over here, is going to be to connect the lower column to the base. So this is going to be our lower column right over here, and we're going to be screwing into here. The first thing we have to do right over here is going to be to take these two screws out right over here, which can be done with this. Super easy to do. Just going to put this down right over here, and then you just literally unscrew these. Doesn't take much effort at all. Super easy to do right over here. Then I'll put this upright, and we're going to show you what we're going to do next. All right, we got the screws out. That just pops off like that. Super easy. It looks like right inside here. I jumped ahead a little bit. There's a little tiny thing in there. I think that's where we're gonna connect the power source. There's a little thing right over there. So the next part is going to be to put this on. So what we're gonna do for this one right over here, we're just gonna put this, flip this over real quick. We're gonna take this, make sure this plug goes inside just like this. And we're just gonna line this up just like this. Yeah, we're just gonna want to line that up. Super easy. We're gonna wanna line up the screw holes and then we're gonna kind of screw them in. You can see right over here, we're just gonna line those up, get them screwed in. I'm gonna get that started and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, once we have these lined up right over here, we're gonna put the pedestal screws right into these holes. Pro tip right over here, when you're trying to get this base on, look for these two little holes. There's gonna be two white pieces on the base right over there. That is the easiest way to do it. Get these two pieces on there and then your screws will line up. And then we're gonna plug this in right over somewhere in there. I'm gonna get these screws in there and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, a little bit of a pro tip, get your screws lined up just like this. Use your fingers, and then once you have them in place, everything lines up. Then we're going to use this part right over here to tighten them. And we're going to put this black little outlet right into that silver one, and then we're going to put this cover back on, screw it on, and then we'll show you the next part. All right, back to our big direction sheet right over here. We did step 1 right over here. Step 2, we figured out, we just put that little piece right in there and put the plates back on. Step 3 is gonna be install the upper column. So we're just gonna take this piece right over here. This is gonna be our upper column. And we're just gonna put it right on top in here. And we're gonna use this column screw right here to put that in the back of here to connect it together. This is on wheels and you have the off on this over here right in the back as well, which I just noticed as we were putting this together. So literally just gonna put this on this way, just like this. We're gonna put that, make sure it's nice and tight in there. So we line this up just like that. And we're gonna push in right there. We wanna make sure this is lined up. So it's gonna look exactly like this when it is lined up, ready to go. And then we're literally just gonna take this column screw right over here and put it right in there to tighten it up. So literally just gonna tighten it with your hand, no big deal. Really easy. I like the fact that you could just screw this in. You don't need a tool or anything like that. So step 3 is done. The next step 4 right over here, we're gonna install the screen and then connect the Type-C cable. All right, so to install this screen right over here, we're gonna wanna be super careful as we do this, because obviously this is the main piece right over here. So we're gonna just put this down right over here. So we're gonna line this up. So we're gonna take the TV right over here, this little screen right over here. We see the back right over here. So we gotta line this up to make sure everything is aligned on the back side right over there. And there's like little holes back here. So let me turn this around for you. So you see right over here, we're just gonna put this right on top of there, just like this. And that's how we're gonna kind of get this on right over here. And then we're gonna push that in, and you just heard that it snapped. So now that it has snapped, we are in there. So let's go to the next step. Now that we have this done, we're just gonna take this little piece right over here, this little USB-C. We're just gonna plug it in right over here, just like that. So we have that done just like that. Get that in there, and then we're just gonna cover this up. And we got that done, and we're gonna get the remote control set up. And you can see right over here, super easy to do. It's already powering on right now. So let me get that done for you, and I'll show you the next. And that's the install, super easy to do. You have your remote right over here. You just put some batteries in there. I'm gonna finish getting this set up. This was really easy to install. This does go different ways as well. This is a tablet. So really enjoyed making this. This was super easy to put together. Love the big instructions here. Comes with everything you need, all the tools. So really easy to put together, and can't wait to watch this all the time. If you wanted to, cannot say enough good things about this. Let's go into the unboxing and how to put this together. But if you're looking for a great tablet TV that's easy to put together, easy to use, definitely check this out. A huge thanks to the brand for sending this over for review.